Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix Huawei Health not syncing with Strava. First, install the Health Sync app from the Google Play Store. Open it and follow the steps to connect your Huawei Health account to Strava. Next, make sure both apps are updated to the latest version. Check the Huawei Health has permissions for physical activity and storage in your phone settings. Finally, open Strava and refresh to see if your activities have synced. And that's it. Your Huawei Health data should now sync with Strava. And that's how to fix Huawei Health not syncing with Strava. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.